Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Luisa, you are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I am going to style my hair using only my all-time favorite detangling brush, part of my merch available in my shop, link in the description box. Before I get into the meat of this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet and you see yourself going back to my channel and watching my videos over and over again, maybe you should consider hitting that subscribe button. I'm just saying, you know, it's free and it really helps your girl out. Alright my love, with no further ado, let's get into this video. What am I going to style my hair with today? First of all, this is day, I don't know, I co-washed my hair with the Leavin Curl Shaper conditioner, cleanser conditioner. Scrub my scalp, rinse it off, apply the Garnier Fructis hair repair 1-minute hair mask. Did not rinse it off, but took out all the excess water. So that's where we are right now. We have a little bit of the Garnier Fructis left. I have 3 bottles in front of me, okay? I have a leave-in conditioner, a mousse, and a gel. The leave-in conditioner I choose for today is not Kinky Curly, not today. It's a standard for me. It's like my go-to at this point. I need to do a favorite product, winter or something. I need to do my favorite product. It's been a while. My gel, you guessed it, Biotera, alcohol-free. Let me be the YouTuber that I am. Biotera alcohol-free gel. Kinky Curly, not today, as a leave-in conditioner. And the mousse I like to put as a finishing, and I like the mousse to give me volume and body. So that's why I'm going with the styling alcohol-free mousse. Boost the body and volume in your hair. This is it right here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is apply my leave-in conditioner all over my hair. Step 1. Let me zoom out a little bit because voila, that's better. So step 1 is going to be applying the leave-in because my hair is high porosity, because I have a hard time retaining the moisture throughout the day. I like to put an extra leave-in conditioner in my hair. If you are not high porosity, if you are low porosity to normal porosity, I would either skip the Garnier Fructis under the shower, or I would skip this one, but I would keep one. I would just keep one leave-in conditioner, you know. Okay, a little bit more. Just want to make sure that this is well distributed all over to the ends. Voila. Now I'm going to use my detangling brush to distribute the product all over my hair. Oh, one thing I need to mention to you guys is that about 2 nights ago I reshaped my hair. I cut my hair a little bit. Didn't film it as usual because I don't think it's something I should be showing you guys. I don't think that's a tutorial I should do. How are we enjoying my sweat marks? I think this is perfect for YouTube video. So I didn't film it because I'm not a professional hairstylist. I don't want to be showing something to you guys that myself I don't really know what I'm doing. So, you know, and on top of that I had 2.5 glasses of wine before I did this, so your girls were a little bit tipsy on the edges, you know, and yeah, I went for it. So I almost F it up. Almost, but didn't, I think. Anyways, it will grow back, so who cares? Ah, c'est chaud. Okay, so now I am dividing and conquering. I'm gonna start applying gel to my first section, and then I will go in with my detangling brush instead of my messing brush to style my hair. Okay, first section here. I'm trying not to lift up my arms too much so you don't see my sweat, but your girl sweats. I'm human. I sweat. This is just how it is. Okay, so here we go. Boom. And then scrunch. All right. This is pretty much, this doesn't look super cute, you guys. I'm not sure about that. This is pretty much the movement I'm going to be doing all over my hair. So first off, the first thing I can tell you is that the shape of this brush is not ideal for creating curl formation. But what I'm just noticing is that because the back is open, you know, my hair can go through, and it actually works really well. Okay, let's try this again. It's my first time doing this, you guys, so I'm discovering with you what's happening here. But let's see. I am twisting the brush as I am brushing my hair, so this is what I'm doing. Up. I don't know. Also, this is the part of my hair that is the most, the wavier, not the straighter, although some days. Okay, so this is for the back of my hair. Let's go to the next section. All right, next section is right here. I'm gonna apply the gel all over again. You guys, if you want to see exactly how I like to style my hair, my winter routine is going to be linked up here for you guys. Feel free to click on it if you have not seen it yet. It's really like, it's what I'm doing on a regular, you know, so that's that. This is more of an experiment than what I'm doing on a regular. Okay, so I have gel. Now let's style. I think I want to take a smaller section. I'm going to twist a little bit more, see what, because here's the thing, when your hair is curly, your hair is curly, okay? If your hair is wavy, your hair is wavy. It shouldn't matter what brush you're using, you know, your hair should catch the curl no matter what. That's my 2 cents. Now, after all the experiments that I've done, and I will link the Diamond brush versus Messing brush right here, you can definitely see a difference in the curl pattern depending on what tool you're using, right? So, well, let's see. But you know what? I wouldn't be surprised if I get a better result with this brush than I did with the Diamond brush. That wouldn't surprise me. Your girl really doesn't like the Diamond brush. Okay. This section is done. Next section, the back here. I'm probably gonna fast forward through the majority of this because you guys get the gist of it. The back I'm just gonna twist and turn. See, I like this. I like that it goes through there. Okay, next section. Now I'm gonna divide, and this is the part that is the most important. It's the crown area, so I need to part this very strategically, so I have a good volume distribution, especially after cutting my hair myself. That I'm twisting my curls a lot more with this brush because I guess I'm scared that the curl pattern is not going to come out nicely. Okay, let me not twist it too much here. It's the shape of the brush. If the brush was not oval, but it was more like rectangular, a little bit thinner, it would be easier to just brush through and scrunch. But because of its oval shape, it's a little bit harder. Alright, I am done styling. Now I'm gonna apply the finishing product, and that is the mousse. Let's do this. Alright, my love, so here's what I can tell you so far. I love this brush as a detangler. I would have not had this as part of my merch if I did not really like this brush. I love that the back is open, that it's easy to clean. I love how flexible the brush is. I love that it's not ripping my hair off. It's gently detangling, but it's still pretty firm. It's like a good balance, right? Now, I would love for this brush to be also a great styling tool. So here are my pros and here are my cons as far as the styling tool. I'm going to start with the cons. The con is the shape of the brush. This oval shape right here is great to grab a big amount of hair at once. So it's great to detangle, right? When it comes to styling, we want to grab thinner, smaller pieces of hair and style that. Problem is that this grabs a whole lot more. Now, it was not impossible to style my hair with this. It was actually very easy and doable. Now, the pro is with this specific brush, because the back is open like this, my hair is able to go through it, and I like that. I think that it gives even more definition to my curls. It's not just this, but it's also those little opening here that when my hair goes through like this, it gives even more definition to it. I hope this makes sense. You probably saw it when I was styling my hair. Alright, so these are my pros and cons so far, but I'm only halfway through doing my hair. Right now I'm going to go and diffuse my hair. I'll come back and we shall see the end result together. Okay, let's go. Okay, my loves, this is pretty much the end result. It's been about 15 minutes since I diffused my hair. I separated my curls, and then here we are. We are starting to fluff up a little bit, and I'm gonna fluff even more as the days are going by. I'm hoping to keep this hairstyle for about 2 days. This is day 1, so tomorrow I'll have even more body to my hair. Okay, so what can I say about this whole experiment using my detangling brush as a styling brush? Like I was saying earlier, the shape of the brush makes a big difference when it comes to styling. This oval shape will definitely grab more hair to detangle. This rectangular shape will pretty much grab smaller sections of hair, which allows you to really work your curl pattern on a smaller scale. Now, is it impossible to style your hair with this oval shape? Absolutely not. Here's the proof. It's just you're gonna have to section your hair a little bit more. Now, what should you do? Well, it all depends on your lifestyle and what you like. If you are a minimalist type of girl, who only want one brush that does everything, I would say go with this one, the one that has the open back. Why? Because the hair is able to slide through those little openings, and I think that's a big deal when it comes to curl clump and curl definition. If you are a person that's on a budget and you're looking to buy one product that's going to do a lot of different stuff for you, again, go with this detangling brush. If you are somebody who travels a lot and cannot afford to bring 5 different types of brush in your suitcase, I will say go with this brush. At the end of the day, my loves, here's my 2 cents if you want to hear it. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what brush you're using. It doesn't matter if you're using a comb, a brush, I don't know, whatever, bless you, Luna. What matters is that you learn how to use your tool properly. And if it doesn't do the trick for you, then move on to something different. But before you give up on it, took me 6 months to understand how to use this. Well, I didn't try for 6 months. I had it in my bathroom for several months, and then one day I was like, let me give this a try. Didn't work for me as a detangling brush, but when I started using it as a styling brush, that's when I was like, whoa, this is amazing. Okay, so to this day, this is my go-to styling brush because I learned how to use this to style my hair. So at the end of the day, it's really up to you, your preference, how you like to style your hair, how you like to spend your money. I would say use what you have at home to begin with. Learn how to use those tools first. And if after using them for several months, ooh, I'm hungry, with several techniques, it still doesn't work for you, then, you know, move on to a different type of brush. But at least you've tried your best with what you have already at home. Okay, now if you're interested in this brush, I'm gonna repeat it one more time. This is part of my merch. It's a Loulou C'est la Vie brush, and it's available in my store. The link is in the description box. And when you purchase one of those brushes, you don't just get an amazing tool for your hair, but you're also supporting your girl. Thank you so much for that. All right, my loves, I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave me a big thumbs up. I would love for you to share in the comment section what is your favorite brush to style and to detangle. Do you use 2 different brushes, or do you use one brush for everything? If you do, which one is it? I hope it's this one with my logo on it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet, and share this video with a friend to help them in their journey or on your social media. Voila, my love, I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my chérie d'amour, stay happy, stay healthy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.